When we look up at the night sky, it's hard to imagine how weird and wonderful other worlds can be. Today, we'll explore the most unusual planets ever discovered, places so strange they sound like science fiction. HD 189733b. Imagine a world where it rains glass sideways. HD 189733b, 63 light-years away, is a deep blue gas giant blasted by winds over 8,000 kilometers per hour. The silicate particles in its atmosphere create shards of glass that rains across the planet. 55 Cancri. This planet is twice the size of Earth, but a third of it could be a pure diamond. Temperatures reach 2,400 degrees Celsius, enough to melt rock. Yet deep inside, pressure turns carbon into sparkling crystal. Tres 2b. Tres 2b reflects less than 1% of light, darker than coal. Floating 750 light-years away, it absorbs almost all the light from its stars, make it nearly invisible. Gliese 1214b. Gliese 1214b may be covered by a global ocean hundreds of kilometers deep. The pressure beneath the surface could form exotic hot ice or superfluid water unlike anything on Earth. PSR J1719 1438b. Orbiting a pulsar, a dead neutron star, this planet was once a star itself. Now it's compressed into a massive diamond crystal larger than Jupiter, proof that even in death, stars can shine. From glass storms to oceans of fire and diamond worlds, the universe is stranger and more beautiful than we could ever imagine. Thanks for watching.